welcome back to my sewing room. My name is Robyn and I do sewing and crafting tutorials. But today is Friday Sews, where we share a little bit about what we've been sewing and a little bit about life. So let's get started. A few weeks ago I showed you that I wanted to add pockets to my robe, and I was able to find this fabric to add to this robe because I like to have the patch pockets because they're so much more handier. And I want to be able to have something cute to wear when I go see my grandkids in Texas. And I think wearing this, they won't forget me. They'll think Grandma looks like candy. But I thought this was kind of cute with the little watercolor dots with the pink pinstripe. And I think that'll be really cute. And I love having the pocket, so when I wake up in the morning and get to feed my granddaughter a bottle, I can put her little burp cloth in there or her bottle and have hands free to hold her. I can't wait. So I was happy to get this completed. I still have this one. I need to find some fabric to make pockets. And I was wondering what you guys thought of this fabric as a pocket or this fabric. Comment below and tell me which one you like. The pink and blue roses or the blue, it looks like pansies. The pink and blue roses or the blue pansies? Which one do you think would make the cutest pockets for this robe? Also this week I made this cute little onesie for my granddaughter because her mommy, my daughter-in-law, is a ER nurse, and I thought this would be so cute. It says, "My hero wears scrubs and I call her mommy." I used my Cricut to make this. Isn't that cute? I was able to find a little nurse's hat and a little stethoscope shaped in a heart. So I can't wait to give this to my daughter-in-law. She's gonna love this. So sweet. And of course, being from Florida, I gotta give her some Mickey Mouse stuff. So I put her name on a little onesie with Mickey Mouse. And it comes with another onesie with all the characters from Disney. So, and I made some little hair bows, and these were quite easy to make. I was surprised. It's all just hand tied, and this baby doll's head is a little bit smaller than my granddaughter, but I just wanted to show you kind of what it would look like. Isn't that sweet? I still have to go back. I've made them all, but I have to go back and trim this little bottom piece here and tack it to the back so you don't see that. So I got a little bit of hand sewing to do. I made this one, and I made a smaller bow out of that same fabric, and I made this one. This one's a little floppier, but I was just practicing with this. I'm hoping when I go to Texas, I can take my daughter-in-law to a fabric store and we can pick out some cute knit fabrics, or some bullet fabric is what these are usually made of. And Joann's doesn't carry bullet fabric anymore, so I'm gonna be on a hunt in Texas to see if I can find some bullet fabric and let her pick out all the colors, and I'll make her some there while I'm in Texas. These are kind of like my samples of learning how to do it. So when I get there, we can make all kinds of cute bows for my little granddaughter. So I'm looking forward to that. Please comment below fabric stores I should visit in Dallas, Texas. I'm so excited. I finally finished editing my video tutorial on how to make this adorable skateboard stuffy. It's kind of a long video, but I'm going to try to figure out how to do the timestamp so that you can go to the section that you need help with in making this skateboard stuffy. And in that video, I will have a link where you can purchase my pattern to make this skateboard stuffy. There are no instructions when you buy the pattern. The instructions will be that video because I show you in detail, like 53 minutes long, how to make this skateboard stuffy. But hopefully I'll figure out the timestamp so you can go directly to the section that you need help with. So I'm so excited to get this done and get this uploaded to my channel. If you like my video, click on this video right here. Here's a playlist of all my other Friday Sews videos. And thank you for joining me today. Have a so blessed day. Bye for now.